Leah Hill here with Harvest Hills Ranch, and today I'm going to show you how to make our pastured chicken drumsticks, legs, whatever you want to call them. They're one of my favorite cuts. You know, when your parents always says, don't play with your food, well, with drumsticks, you don't have a choice. Anyway, guys, so this is one pack of pastured chicken. We're going to get those into the bowl. I have a half cup of olive oil. And the reason I'm using a little bit more this time is I'm actually going to make kebabs with the leftover seasoning mix at the bottom of this. So you can use a little bit less olive oil. I'm going to use my garlic, lemon zest, black pepper seasoning. And this is 1 tablespoon. I'm going to add just 3 shakes of smoked paprika just because I'm absolutely obsessed with it. Oh gosh, this one. I'm going to do 4 little shakes of pink Himalayan sea salt. And I don't need the pepper because it's already in the other seasoning. So I'm just going to coat this. And get it on both sides. And that's it. It's absolutely ready for the grill. If you want the flavor to intensify and be a little bit more immersed into the skin, I would do this part here, put it in the ice box for 30 minutes, then go and put it on the grill. You can also do this option in the oven, 350 for between 8 to 10 minutes. It is a little bit harder to cook in the oven for me, so I'm always cooking on the grill. It's so fast. Click it on, let it get up to heat, and just you're ready to go. So most of my videos will be on the grill. However, I will take the time to shoot some oven videos soon. All right, guys, so off to the grill I go. I have my grill ready at 350. All right, so I've already prepared my kebabs. So I'm just taking the oil that's left over. I'm just gonna paint those bad boys. Just like that. And then I'm going to go stick these on the grill with the drumsticks. It's just a fun little fast meal and utilizing all your resources as you go. So I just have squash zucchini from the garden, some onion, green bell peppers, and some mushrooms. So I'm going to get these coated and I'm going to go get these on the grill. All right, guys, there they are, fresh off the grill. I peeled this one back just a little bit so you can see how juicy and awesome that looks. 5.5 minutes on one side, 5.5 minutes on the other side, and they are perfect. Now, if your grill cooks faster or cooks slower, just alternate between them. All you're looking for is that all the blood is out of the bone itself on the top or the thickest piece. All right. These are so tender, so juicy. Look at that. I could literally just pull it off with one finger. Oh gosh. You want to make sure that you are not overcooking your food because ours doesn't take as long to cook. It doesn't have all the artificial, genetically modified, antibiotics, and all that stuff they say that's not in there, that's really in there. Ours doesn't take as long to cook because it doesn't have that in there. The nutrient profile is there. You're gonna have that flavor. And like one of my favorite reviews that one of our customers wrote from her mother that was 80, and she said, oh my gosh, where did you get this chicken? I haven't tasted this chicken since I was at my grandmother's farm. So that was a huge compliment to us. So the flavor profile is amazing. Don't dry out your chicken because ours does cook a lot faster. So lower and slower, and you will have the amazing, juicy, finger-licking good chicken that I'm about to have for dinner with Dr. Hill. Thank you again for joining me in my kitchen. I'll see y'all next time.